In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a search bar typing animation in Figma step by step so you can quickly add a polished animated search bar to your next UI project. This is a super simple method, and the best part is that you do not need to build the animation from scratch. You can use a ready-made community design, customize the text, and preview the final result in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Figma community page at figma.com/community. This is where you can find thousands of free files, templates, and design resources shared by the Figma community. Once the page loads, look for the search bar at the top. Click inside it and type search bar animation, then press enter on your keyboard. Figma will show you a list of community files related to search bar animations, so take a moment to browse through the options and find one that matches the style you want. When you see a design you like, click on it to open the file details. From there, click Open in Figma. This will launch the design in the Figma editor, where you can inspect the layout, the animation, and the components used in the file. Give it a second to load fully so everything appears correctly on the canvas. Now comes the important part. Drag and select everything in the design exactly as it is. You want to make sure you've selected all the elements that make up the search bar animation, including the text, shapes, and any grouped components. After selecting everything, copy it and then paste it into your own project file. This lets you reuse the animation structure inside your own design without having to recreate it manually. Once the animation is in your project, you can start customizing it. Click on the text inside the search bar and replace it with your own content. This could be a search term, a product name, a website query, or any text that fits your design. Make sure the replacement text still looks good inside the search bar and doesn't break the layout. If needed, adjust the spacing or font size slightly so it stays clean and readable. After you've updated the text, take a final look at the animation and make sure everything is aligned properly. Check that the timing, appearance, and overall style match the look you want for your project. If you want to preview how the animation behaves, click the present icon on the right side panel. This will open the prototype view and let you watch the search bar typing animation in action so you can see exactly how it will appear to users. And that's it. You've now learned how to design a search bar typing animation in Figma using a community file, paste it into your own project, customize the text, and preview the animation in presentation mode. It's a fast and practical way to create professional-looking UI motion without starting from zero. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.